Hi, this is Mrs. Robertson, and we're going to finish our lesson here with we're going to page 11. All right, sorry about that. We got cut off on the other video there. So on page 11, example number 2. Find the unit price if it costs $2 for 8 juice boxes. Okay, $2, 8 boxes. You need to find the unit rate. So you're going to divide both sides by 8, and 2 divided by 8 will give you the answer 0.25 or 25 cents. You have to add a decimal. 8 goes into 22 times, subtract, add a 0, bring it down, and that's how you get your 25 cents. Be very careful with your decimal point. In letter C, it says find the unit rate for a 4-pack of mixed fruit if it sells for $2.12. Well, in this one, you're going to have $2.12 divided by 4. Two will go into 25 times, subtract, bring down, and you are going to get 53 cents for your unit price. In example 3, it says the prices of 3 different bags of dog food are given in the table. Which size bag has the lowest price per pound, rounded to the nearest cent? All right, so when you do this one, you end up getting $1.23 per pound, $1.17 per pound, and this one equals $1.24 per pound. The lowest price is the 20-pound bag. It is $1.17 per pound. Now let's look at letter D. I would like for you to do that problem at this time. And then I'll go over the answers with you in just a moment. So $2.19 divided by 12 would, let's see, that will be 0.1825, which if you rounded it to the nearest cent, that will be 18 cents per ounce. In the next problem, you have $2.79 divided by 18 ounces, and that 155 thousandths, which will be 16 cents per ounce. In the next problem, you have $4.69 divided by 28 ounces, 0.1675. And when we round that to the pennies place, that'll be 17 cents. And our last one, $6.60 divided by 40. That one will also be 17 cents, which Tito wants to buy as much peanut butter as possible. Which brand should he buy? It will be Grandma's because it's 16 cents. So the correct answer for that one would be Grandma's. Let's turn to page 12 now. In number 12, We have a problem here. It says Lexi painted 2 faces in 8 minutes in the craft fair. At this rate, how many faces can she paint in 40 minutes? All right, so method 1, you draw a bar diagram. Okay, 8 minutes. She does 2 faces, so you cut 8 minutes in half. It's 4 minutes and 4 minutes. It takes 4 minutes to paint 1 face. In 40 minutes, Lexi can paint 40 divided by 4, 10 faces. The bar diagram way. And then we have the unit rate way. 2 faces, 8 minutes, divide them both by 8. She can do 0.25 faces a minute. So, multiply the unit rate by 40 minutes. 40 minutes times 0.25, and that will give you 10 faces. All right, let's go to the guided practice here on page 12. And we're going to do these together, and then I will have you do the other problems for your homework. So, guided practice, problem number 1. Here we have CD. Express offers 4 CDs for $60. Music Place offers 6 CDs for $75. Which store offers the better buy? Well, $60 for 4 CDs. That means 1 CD will be $15. All right, this is dollars, and here we have CDs on the bottom. So $15 for 1 CD. The other store, we have $75 for 6 CDs. Divide them both by 6, and you're going to end up with $12.50 for 1 CD. Which store offers the better buy? It's going to be Music Place offers the better buy. Problem number 2. After 3.5 hours, Pasha had traveled 217 miles. If she travels at a constant speed, how far will she have traveled after 4 hours? Well, first let's find our unit rate. If you have 217 divided by 3.5, or divide them both by 3.5, you will end up with, here I'll show you on this one, you will end up having 62 miles in 1 hour. There's the division work. Please show that on your paper. You do have to add, you put the decimal point there at the end, you get 62 miles in 1 hour. Now, they want to know, in this problem, how far they can go in 4 hours. So you take 62 times 4 and get the answer 248 miles. Let's look at number 3. Write 5 pounds for $2.49 as a unit rate. So $2.49 for 5 pounds as a unit rate. When you round to the nearest hundredth, show your division work. 2.49 divided by 5 is 0.498. Show all of your work. Put your decimal point up. Goes into 4 times. Subtract. Bring down. 9 times. Subtract. Add another 0. Bring it down. You get 0.498, which rounds to 50 cents. The answer for that problem. Now, what are you going to do for homework tonight? Your assignment, you're going to do page 113, all. turn the page. On page 14, I want you to do problem number 10. On page 15, do all. Notice that 16 and 17 are already done for you. Once you are finished, do reflex. And if there's anything else that I put into your Google Classroom, I might have time to put in another online activity. Have a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow.